Hey, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna talk about top 5
best video doorbell.
Starting at number 5.
Mubview doorbell camera. Upgrade your home security with the Mubview doorbell camera wireless, no subscription. With features such as night vision, human detection, and two-way audio, this wireless doorbell camera provides exceptional performance for your security needs. It offers free AES encrypted cloud storage and supports a micro SD card for local storage. The camera's long-lasting battery ensures 90 days of power per charge, and the stable connection allows for seamless real-time interaction with visitors. The Mubview doorbell camera is easy to install and comes with premium support. It is a reliable and convenient solution to enhance your home security.
Coming at number 4.
Arlo Essential Wired. The Arlo Essential Wired Video Doorbell is a high-quality home security camera that offers HD video and a 180-degree view of your front door. It features night vision, two-way audio, and DIY installation. With the Arlo app, you can receive smarter notifications, never miss a moment, and set up a complete home security system. The camera is weather-resistant and works seamlessly with your other smart devices.
At number 3.
Tuck SHARKPOP Doorbell. The Tuck Doorbell Camera Wireless is a feature-packed home security device. With its secure cloud storage options, you can enjoy encrypted storage and a 30-day free trial. The advanced AI-enhanced human detection accurately identifies people while filtering out irrelevant motion. The real-time two-way communication allows you to easily interact with visitors from any location. The cutting-edge night vision capabilities provide crisp and high-resolution videos in low-light conditions. With powerful 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity, you can expect fast and stable connections. Please note that 5 GHz Wi-Fi is not supported. Ensure the safety of your home with this battery-powered wireless doorbell camera.
Number 2 of my list.
Wyze Wireless Video. The Wyze Wireless Video Doorbell Pro offers a hassle-free installation process and a 1:1 head-to-toe view aspect ratio. It features a 1440 HD video with 33% more clarity than traditional HD cameras. With up to 3 months of battery life, you can go the whole season without recharging. The included chime offers 20 unique tunes and 8 sound levels, allowing for customizable alerts. Additionally, you have the option to upgrade to Cam Plus for real-time alerts and cloud storage of full-length videos for 14 days. This doorbell comes in white and has dimensions of 5.50 L x 1.80 W x 1.10 H. Overall, it is a well-priced, high-quality product that delivers on its promise of providing security and convenience for your front porch.
And number 1.
Ring Video Doorbell. The Ring Video Doorbell Wired is an excellent entry-level option for home security, offering essential features and reliable performance. With 1080p HD video, two-way talk, and advanced motion detection, you'll never miss a detail. Get real-time notifications on your phone and pair with a Ring chime to hear audio alerts in your home. The doorbell can be connected to existing wiring for constant power. It also offers night vision, customizable privacy settings, and the ability to connect with Alexa for added peace of mind. With a Ring Protect plan, you can record and review videos for up to 180 days. The Ring Video Doorbell Wired provides convenience, security, and peace of mind in a compact design.
Check out this video description for latest price and more informations. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and stay tuned.